Hi children, welcome to art class. Today I am going to teach you a funny cartoon skeleton. The material required for this funny cartoon skeleton is pencil and sketch pen. As the skeleton is in outline, so we need sketch pen and a pencil. So let us start. Children, I have drawn this picture in small size. See this skeleton? Small in size. Now I am going to draw this skeleton picture in big size step by step. You follow the step by step and draw in your paper or drawing book. Are you ready? I am going to paste this on the board and we start the drawings. Children, I have pasted this drawing on the board and now I am observing this one. You also observe the drawing is in letter A form, like in letter A. So we got the clue that it is drawn in letter A form. So with the help of letter A, with the help of letter A, and see the bones, hand bones and leg bones are in like letter I, capital letter I. So with the help of those things, I will draw on this sheet the skeleton step by step. You also follow this and draw in your sheet. Now I am drawing letter A on this sheet. Now I am taking this letter A as a guideline for this skeleton. And what else? The body is over. Now the head part. Now I am using one circle or oval. And below portion also some other oval. Now see, again the hand. Now you have to observe children, the hand, how much distance you have taken, same distance like this, and this hand is stretched downward. So we have to take full arm, double this line. Now this is waving hand, like waving hand, so we bended this one. Now the structure is over, the outline part of the skeleton is over. Now I am going to complete with the help of letter I. Now observe this one, how where this hip is there, hip joint is there. So I am drawing this one for the hip. Now see, like it's like portion is completed. Now the hand portion, leg portion. It is divided into two legs, so we cut this one for two. Now with the help of letter I will draw this and complete this leg bone. On both the sides I will draw. You also do as I said. Now the leg, one leg is over, the other leg also you have to draw this side with the help of letter I. See, the letter I is always visible, will be like this. Now we can say it's a bone also, so I am using this letter I here. See, the two legs of this skeleton is over. Now the foot part. Both the sides same with the help of oval and a small circle. Now coming to this hand portion also you have to do like this with the help of letter I. Same way opposite also with the letter I you have to do. Now the other forearm bone will be drawn like this. Same with the help of letter I. Both the sides. Now the hand with the help of a circle or oval and even fingers also. You know we got 5 fingers, so the 5 ovals like this you have to draw. Same way the other hand. Same circle or oval you have to draw, and you have to draw the 5 fingers. Now see there, fingers is over. By seeing this, the 2 hands and the 2 legs completed. Now coming to this middle portion, the chest portion. The chest contains ribs. So we are drawing the ribs with the help of the same line curves or cuttings like this. See this how I am doing step by step slowly. You observe this one and you draw accordingly. Now see, the rib portion is also over. Now this vertebras, we call this vertebras. I am drawing step by step. There is 3 is there, you can draw more. So like this you complete this picture and get satisfied. Now you can see there is no connection to this hip to the rib. So we will erase this one. After this you go for face, the head portion. The head portion contains here 2 eyes and nose. Eyes will be in oval shape or circle shape, and the nose will be in triangular shape. So I am drawing this in eyes in 2 circle shapes and nose in triangle shape. Almost the picture is completed. Now the mouth portion, where now the 2 ovals where we have joined, you have to erase this one. So the joint portion will become the mouth of that skeleton. See, the skeleton is completed. Now the skeleton is completed, and the inner lines where we have taken guideline as letter A. The guidelines we have to remove, and you have to dark it with this outline sketch pen. The eye should be filled with black color, nose also black color, and the head is hollow. So after drawing this, you draw with outline with black sketch pen. Now I have drawn, because lack of time, I have drawn this cartoon skeleton with black sketch pen outlining. See how beautiful it is. The picture is completed. Hope you understood. Step by step, once again a rewind. See, first of all, the skeleton picture. Observe this picture and get an idea, get some ideas like how to draw. You observe this. By observing, you can get some ideas. As I said, the picture is in letter A form, and with the help of capital letter I used the leg bones and the hand bones and completed the picture with black sketch pen. I hope you understood this class. Yes. Thank you.